Yo, it's your boy Funkmaster Flex, and we here, you know, in the dungeon. And we got my man Drizzy Drake, you know. Say what up to him, Drizzy.
Hey, what's up? That boy the other day.
Well, yeah. What about him?
Can I touch the city?
Oh, you want the city, son?
Can I do that?
You want to do that?
Can I do that?
Hold on, you want to do that?
Can I do that?
Would you like to do that?
Can I do that?
I was saying if you want to do. Okay.
Can I do that?
All right, go ahead, son. Go ahead and do that, son.
Can I do that?
You can do it, son. Touch him, son. Touch the city. Touch the city, Drake.
All right, wait. What city we touching?
Where we at right now? I think we in. Yo.
Can I do that?
Yeah, just do it anyway. It don't matter. We gonna do that.
All right. Give me a beat.
Are you freestyling?
Give me a beat.
You freestyling?
Of course, man. That's all I do.
Why you got a BlackBerry in your hand?
Twitter, man. Twitter.
Oh, okay. Let me go. Funkmaster Flex. DJ. Get busy. Yo.
Hey. Nah. That one doesn't go with it.
Oh, you don't like that one? All right, then.
Oh, okay. Can I touch the city for him?
Touch the city. It's yours, son.
Alright, whoa.
You ain't find the right track over it. But I thought that was Twitter. What you doing? Yo, what's going on?
Can we come back?
You want to
come back?
read?
Can we come back?
We're going to go to commercial. We're going to come right back. This is Can I do that? Drizzy.